Valentine's Day, I went ahead doing a very classic look with a nice winged liner and a bold red lip. So if you want to know how I got this classic beauty, stick around and keep watching. So as you can see, I already have on some foundation and my under eyes are done. So to do that, I used a mixture of our white concealer, Sandstone Pearl Shadowsense, and our eye illuminator. And then on my face, I used a pump of light color correcting tinted moisturizer and a pump of our Make Sense foundation in the color Almond. I like mixing the two because I like having a little bit more coverage that the Make Sense foundation offers, but I like the color correcting technology that is in the moisturizer. So I like to combine the two. And then I already put a base on my eyes, and to do that I used Sandstone Pearl. Now if you have a more warm skin tone, then you probably want to go with Candlelight. More cool toned, stay with Sandstone Pearl. And then I'm going to take Mocha Java and I'm going to put this in my crease. To do that, I'm going to use a fluffy brush. And I'm just going to take this in my crease up to my brow bone area. And I'm going to try to keep the edge more lifted than bringing it more down. So that's why I'm kind of flicking it up toward the end. Now I'm going to do a couple layers of Mocha Java. I'm going to build this up. So I'm going to let that set and move on to my other eye. See how that just really deepened it up? That's what's so awesome about our Shadowsense colors, is they are buildable. So if you're not too sure about a color, then start light and build it. Remember just to always blend everything. So pretty. I love Mocha Java. This color is so amazing. It's just the perfect everyday color. Everyone should have Mocha Java. It's so pretty. So then I'm going to take my Garnet. This is a really warm, rich, chocolatey brown. And I'm going to deepen up that crease area just slightly. Now I'm kind of getting it on the brush and then I'm kind of dabbing it all over the bristles just to get it like evenly distributed. And then I'm just going to take this and deepen up this crease area. And this is just going to add some dimension to my eye, some contour to my eye. And remember just to flick up toward the edge to keep your eyeshadow nice and lifted. And then I'm going to go back in with that Mocha Java brush and I'm just going to smooth things out. Blend those colors together nicely. And make sure we don't have any harsh lines or edges to where you can see where the color starts and stops. Okay, and then I'm going to go back in with that Sandstone Pearl. And I'm just going to kind of cut out my lid just a little bit more, just to lighten and brighten it slightly. And to do that, I'm going to use a nice flat brush. Sometimes when you add add a lot of color, deeper color to the crease of your eye. It goes a little bit farther down on the lid than you want it to, but that's okay. You can just go ahead and cut that back out and lighten and brighten that area. And then I'm going to take the color out toward the edge of my eye and kind of make the edge of my eye a little bit more dramatic. There you go. And then I'm going to take that Mocha Java on a small little fluffy brush, and I'm going to get the underside of my eye. And just really get this nice and smoked out. And then I'm going to take that Garnet on a shader brush, and I'm going to get the underside of my eye a little bit more precise. And I'm going to stick more toward the outside of my eye. Okay, then I'm going to take a little angled brush and I'm going to use Onyx as my eyeliner. I love our eye sense. It's great and wonderful, but I wanted to show you a way you could be more versatile in your colors. So I'm going to choose to do Onyx. I'm going to put a little dab of this so I don't have to keep my tube open. I'm just going to start in the center of my eye and I'm going to work my way down my lash line, build my wing, and then I'm going to go back and from the tear duct back to the center. So you want to go from your lower lash line and follow it up to your eyebrow. If you're brand new to drawing a wing, then what I would suggest is start small and then build your wing up. Because if you go out too far, you can't take it away. Then I'm going to go back to the center and I'm going to connect. Sorry, I can't talk and do this at the same time. So then I'm just going to connect where the line ended, and this is a more dramatic wing, where the line ended with the center, and then fill it in. There you go, easy peasy. So then you can just go in and you can deepen and darken things up as much as you want to. So stinking pretty. And then I'm going to draw that lower lash line and connect to this wing. And then I'm going to smoke that out. I'm not a fan of a super sharp, crisp line on my lower lash. Okay, so I'm seriously loving this look so far. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to finish my face and then I'm gonna speed this process up for you. applied my first layer, but someone asked for application tips, so I'm going to quickly show you. What you want to do is make sure you start at the very base of your lashes, and you want to wiggle the product up in between the lashes. And then gently blink down. This stuff is amazing, beyond amazing. Okay, so for my lips, I have decided to mix together Fly Girl and Salmon. Let's see how it turns out. I have never done this before, so I'm super excited to see what this mixture is. Ladies, don't be afraid to try bold colors on your lips. Everyone thinks, oh, I'm never gonna be able to pull it off. Believe me, just try it. You will surprise yourself. You'll be pleasantly surprised, I promise you. Okay. Now for the magic. Okay, as always, make sure you apply to clean, dry lips. This color is absolutely amazing. I am obsessed with it. I mean, for real, look at it. It's gorgeous. All right, so here's the finished look, and again, I'm in love with it. A total classic eye, a beautiful red lip. It's an absolute classic, stunning look. If you have any questions, please let me know, and make sure you like my video and subscribe to my channel. And as always, I'll always have all of the details for all the products that I used during this tutorial listed below, and a link for where you can purchase them. So I hope and pray that you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you soon.